Alright everybody, welcome back to the channel. We are here to buzz with your cuz at Flour, Eggs, and Yeast. We're really super excited. If you joined us earlier in the week, you know that we got a cronut from Dominique Ansel's bakery in New York City. We had it delivered. It was pumpkin pie and brown sugar, deep fried croissant slash donut. Completely amazing. But we also got some cookie shots. So we're really super excited about those. They're also a creation of Dominique Ansel. If you don't know who he is, he's a very, very inventive pastry chef of the year 2017. Innovated, created the cronut, created the cookie shot, and that's what we're here to do. We buzz with your cuz. We're gonna do shots. Shots of cookies? Maybe. Let's see what they look like. We got 3 shots. 2 of them are out. I'm going to invite Theresa over here to join us for this. That's at Dominique Ansel, if you could read that. And this is a signature chocolate chip cookie shot with cold infused Madagascar vanilla milk. Right? Madagascar yes. Vanilla milk. That's so good. That's where your best vanilla comes from, Madagascar. So that is infused into our cookie shot. Oh, I can't wait to do this. So they want you to pour in milk. Buzz with our cuz. We're gonna do Kahlúa and milk. Kahlúa and milk. Sip and enjoy the cookie. Now it says we can preheat the oven to 350 and warm this bad boy up. It feels soft, right? It does. I hope this thing actually holds. But all right, let's figure it out. Let's do some cookie shots. We have Kahlúa, rum and coffee drink here. We're gonna crank this bad boy open. I mean, you could make all sorts of stuff in here with this, right? I mean, you could put this with coffee, you could put it with cream. We're doing milk. Here we go. Let's
like halfway up, and then the rest with milk. Will you pour
mine? Take a smell of that. Yeah, of course.
Ooh, it smells good. Kahlúa is coffee, right? So a coffee liqueur, cream liqueur, coffee.
Well, it's rum and coffee liqueur. Ooh. So that's what we're going to go with here. So this Veracruz 1936, product of Mexico, product of Mexico, imported. All right. So let's cheers these.
Cheers.
Yow.
That was good.
That is good.
It
actually pulled some of the chocolate and the cookie flavor out with it.
I actually just bit my cookie because I think it tastes really good together.
Yeah, let's see.
That's really
cookie
good.
is good.
Oh my goodness, the combination of the flavor.
Why didn't I think of this? When did he start making these things?
A couple of years ago. I think it was the 2017.
2017, maybe. I don't know. I mean, this is a genius idea. I mean, this should have always been. Somebody should have did this years ago. Well, why did we wait for Dominique Ansel? We could have just made this.
I know.
This is like right up our alley. Actually, he's way more creative than we are, apparently, and it shows.
Well, and so we already finished the inside, and the chocolate held up really well.
Not leaking.
You could literally like do a couple of shots.
Oh yeah, you can keep that. That's a drinking game. Get a bunch of these, keep filling them. The first person whose cookies leak loses, and they got to buy the drinks.
Yes.
I love it. That's how you buzz with your cuz.
You know what would be fun, like with this holiday season coming up, like having a line of cookie shots to greet your guests. Just don't pre-fill the cookie shot. It says it on the package that, you know, if you just let it sit with the liquid,
it'll get soggy for sure.
Yeah. But it's
it's a cookie, you know. It's not a real drinking vessel. However, you just give me another idea. You want Santa? You want to catch Santa in the act? Put these out. Cookies and milk, baby. Cookie shots and milk. Holiday home run. That's a no-doubter.
I'm surprised how soft the cookie is still on the outside because it flew in from Soho.
Yeah, from New York to Florida. We're eating in Florida today.
Packed in dry ice. And
you would never know.
I know.
I would thought this was baked this morning.
I do think it held up better than the cronut.
Yes, just the consistency. I think overall I don't want to say the quality, that's not the right word. The integrity of oven, and then being shipped and then us using it. I think this is more enjoyable. The Cronut is just completely, unique. That you're not going to get that anywhere else with those types of flavors, but
yeah.
These we could make.
I was just gonna say that. I was just gonna say that I want to make these for the channel. I think you could do a couple different shapes, but we're gonna do this on the channel this holiday season. Let's do it.
Yeah, and again, you guys can probably see that in there. I don't know. The chocolate is it's still solid. It's chocolate. If you do heat this in the oven for 10 seconds. It's probably, go for the refills. See if it leaks. See if it leaks.
I am refilling it, and it is not.
It's good.
It's not leaking.
Good.
It's really good.
This is a great, I'm thrilled. I'm not exactly sure how often we'll order these or if we'll make them on our own. Or I'm sure there's a trick to this that they figured out. But I can't believe that this is a Buzz with Your Cuz segment. That we're doing shots out of real cookie shot glasses. Again, the instructions say to add milk, sip the milk, then eat the cookie. That won't get you to buzz. It'll sugar buzz you, I guess. Yeah,
that's true.
You want to get a sugar buzz? You order yourself a Cronut, a cookie shot glass, and go to town. You might be doing the shake. I would also fill this with espresso.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, like a cold
yeah, or
cold
even
brew
hot
or
if
something.
You drink it quicker.
Well, you don't want to burn your mouth.
Yeah, people drink shots all the time.
But hot coffee and a chocolate, that'll make it leak pretty quick.
So coffee's not for everyone, but you might as well give it a shot.
Yeah.
I just saw that sign the other day.
I just made that up. I don't know how she knew I said that.
Oh, thank you for inviting me to your show today.
Oh, it's great. And we're very thankful that right now you're commenting and giving us the thumbs up and saying, where do I order one? How do I get one? We get absolutely no benefit other than sharing this with you, so not a sponsored video. We paid full price and then some to enjoy this and bring it to you. So please give us the thumbs up, subscribe to the channel if you haven't, follow us, comment, share, like, comment, share, like, comment, share. Let Dominique Ansel know if you tried this or if you enjoyed this video, and let us know too. And that is your Buzz with Your Cuz.